So I'm going to make a quick video going over one of these questions from number 3 on your graded homework. The reason why is I just know that there's going to be a lot of questions like this. So I figured that just going over one will at least help you set up the other 3. Okay, so I'm just going to do the first one. So if you look at the first one, it says the line containing 4 comma negative 1 and x comma negative 6 has a slope of negative 5 halves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here with these 2 points, and I'm going to write the slope formula based off of those 2 points. So I'm going to go ahead and do negative 6 minus a negative 1, which turns into negative 6 plus 1, all over x minus 4, which simplifies into negative 5 over x minus 4. So that right there, all right, is an expression to represent the slope. But what we know is that the slope already has to equal negative 5 halves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this expression and set it equal to the slope, which is negative 5 halves. And then this is what I'm going to solve. So I'm going to take this equation right here, and what I just set up is a proportion. And how do you solve a proportion? Well, you cross multiply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this negative 5, and I'm going to distribute it to the x minus 4, and then I'm going to take this negative 5 and distribute it to the 2. So when I take that original negative 5, all right, you need to make sure that you're multiplying it to both the x and the negative 4. And then when you take the negative 5 and multiply it times the 2, you're going to get negative 10. And now you just solve that equation. So distributing that negative 5 through, you're going to get negative 5x plus 20 equals negative 10. I'm going to subtract that negative 20, or that 20 over, so I'm going to get negative 5x is equal to negative 30. And then dividing by that negative 5, you get x is equal to 6. And that's your final answer. The other 3 are similar to those, and you're just going to have to kind of read what you're given. Like for this one, it's parallel, this one is perpendicular, and then apply it from there. But I hope that was helpful.